everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a wonderful summer. I'm here today to do my July favorite video. Today I want to show you guys what I was loving this month of July. So stop talking and let's get started. So at first I'm gonna show you the first beauty product, which is nail polish. This is from Faces and the shade is Minty Mintness 184. The price is 200. Okay, and the color is so pretty, and this is like a mint color. I will show you. This is a matte finish shade. This is not white, it's a mint color, and I love this shade for summer. The color is so nice, and this is my first nail polish from Faces. Now I'm loving this color and the product is so long lasting. It will stay for 1 week, and so this is the nail polish which I love this month. So the next product is lip scrub, and I'm loving this lip scrub. This is so good scrub for your lip. So the lip scrub is from Sheer Secrets, the lip scrub, and the main thing which I love this product is the flavor. It's the so sweety flavor. When I scrubbing my lip and I taste it little bit, and it's so like sweet, like a lychee fruit taste. It have lychee, dates, licorice, rambutan, and this all thing in that product. This product is so helpful to remove your all dead skin from your lips. It smell like lychee, dates, smell like that. I applied it onto my lip every day after I remove my all makeup and wash my face, and I use this product, and this is so helpful to remove your all dead cell from your lips, and you can get a smooth lip in a minute. And the product is so tiny and you can carry it with your bag, and I love this product. I have tried a lot of brushes and I have fallen in love with them, and they are these 4 brushes, and they are so soft. These are from generic eyeshadow pencil brushes, and I know this is too dirty because I use these brushes all the time whenever I use my eyeshadow. And these brushes are so soft, and they help to blend my eyeshadow very smoothly, and it's a big thumbs up for this generic eyeshadow brushes. And I brought this from Amazon. They are amazing. If you live in Kolkata, you will know that the weather has been insanely hot over the last month. So whenever I use my concealer, my eyes literally crease. That time I always use a powder, and these are the banana powder, which is from ADS, and this helps to make my concealer set all the time. So this is my favorite for this month, and the powder is so natural, and its tone is yellow tone, which is the good shade, which is the perfect shade for my face. And this powder is so smooth, and you can see the color is like little bit yellow, and the smell is like sandalwood powder, and it's so good for summer. So my next favorite is a highlighter, which is from Maybelline Master Chrome by Face Studio, and this is the shade Molten Gold, and they are super amazing product. You can see these are the shade, and the golden color is so pigmented. You can see, look. You can wear this highlighter with a brush or with a finger, which one you comfortable, but I will recommend you can try this with your finger, because it's a creamy product, not too creamy or not too powdery. So this is my favorite product. And the next favorite is mascara, which is from Maybelline what is that? Maybelline Hyper Curl Volume Express Waterproof Mascara. Sorry for my pronunciation. Okay, so this mascara is a mascara. It makes your eye look so natural, not looking like too clumpy, and it makes your eyelash look bigger. So in the morning I wear this mascara, just only one coat. It's make my eyelash looking like so natural and so big, and if you apply it like 2 or 3 coat, then your eyelash look like you are wearing a false lashes like that. So whenever you applied it on your eyelash, your eye look like a boom. If you are not an eyelash person or you are not comfortable for eyelash, then you can apply it and you can try this. I am not an eyelashes person because I am not comfortable with eyelash, because it's feel like too heavy, and I am not comfortable actually, because every time I wear eyelash, it's my eyelash like anytime ping off in anywhere anytime, so I am not comfortable. But recently I brought a eyelash which is from pack. I brought this from Amazon, and this is a professional artist cosmetic, and the number is 52. And these eyelash are amazing because it's, you can look at that, the eyelash are so natural, and whenever you wear this, your eye feel like so natural, not thick. Last 2 video, like my wedding video or my DIY makeup tutorial, DIY facial mist, I was wore this eyelash. So this is my favorite, and the main thing is the finishing line. You can see the finishing line is too thin, it's like too transparency, and the black shade you can see, this is my eyeliner and not the shade, and originally the shade is transparent, which I love, because if you buy with a thick layer of finishing line, then your eyes look like you're literally wearing fake eyelashes looking eyes. But I will recommend you, please try these eyelashes because it's so natural, it's not too heavy. Whenever I wear these eyelashes, I confidently wear this eyelash anytime, anywhere, and they are super natural. You will definitely try this. And the next thing is my DIY facial mist, which I love so much because last month was so hot, so that's why I tried this and I made this DIY. If you watch this my DIY facial mist, then you know that. If you are not, then I will leave a link below, because this is a facial mist. Please try this, and they are makes my skin so refreshing, and I carry this with my bag. It's make me feel refreshing all the time and instantly. And my last video I used this as my makeup setting spray, and it's makes my skin super glowy at the time, because they have almond oil and vitamin E oil. That's why my I'm not feeling like too dried on my skin, and it's feel like so like glowy and refreshing. Okay, so my next favorite is a bottle. you can see this is a bottle which I loving this month, and the color is green, and you can see they are slim, look like slim, and they are 350 750 yeah, maybe 750, yeah. I forgot. I will leave it a link below. If you carry this with your bag will be not like a big you know that what I mean. So that's why I love this bottle. They have so many color like pink, blue, white, green, or maybe or more, I don't know. And the last product is a salt, and this is a skincare product. If you guys follow me on Facebook or Instagram, then you will know last week I posted a photo for my rock salt, and you guys asked me many types of question about that. What is that, what's that benefit, where you brought this from? So today I'm here with this salt because I love this salt. This is from Tata Salt rock salt, and I just love this because it's make me so relaxing. You can buy any types of brand you love. So this is look like that. You can see the camera is not capturing, but it's color like pink, not like peach, and there have no fragrance on that. If you need some relaxation for your body, if you're feeling little bit of pain in your body, then you can try this salt. If you have a bathtub, then you have to fill the bathtub with the warm water, not cold water or not too hot water, only warm water. Then 2 to 3 tablespoons of this salt, then mixed it with your water, then relax for 15 to 20 minutes. So this salt makes me relaxing all the time. So this is the salt which I love. So that's it guys. So this is the all thing which I love this last month. If you guys want to know any types of makeup video or any types of skincare or hair care tutorial, then please let me know in the comment section below. Please do subscribe and please click the bell button for instant notification for my video. I cannot wait to do more tutorial like this. And in the meantime, don't forget to follow me in Instagram and Facebook and Twitter and my blogging page, so which I link it below in the description box. Thank you so much for watching, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. So if you like my video, then please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon for instant notification for my video. And I will see you all in my next video. So now take care and bye.